So yeah, the seller actually just taped up a bag and sent it on over here. Well, at least it's here. Kind of wondered. Oh, I didn't know a blade. Well, that's because he didn't put it in the box.
What happened?
Blade's all left over because he didn't put it in the box. Yeah.
Do you want me to video that part?
Yeah. So I knew it was broken and glued, but this guy's gluing sucked. It doesn't work. I should use some JB Weld. I didn't think that epoxy is going to hold that. So this came with 3 blades, the drone, sky controller too. Looks like it's missing a screw for the battery cover. And a charger for 3 batteries and 3 blades. And that, yeah, that's the stuff I saw in the pictures. Oh yeah. What's this face look like? Yeah. Well, at least the camera's not beat up. Alright, here's what I've done to this Bebop 2 to get it flyable again. Ripped off his glue and applied a very not stingy amount. JB Weld. That's the cell that was, or pile on, whatever you want to say, that was ripped off. It was barely just hanging in there, just flopping around. It was held by the mount right there. It only had like the tiniest little bit of plastic holding it. So there we go. I've got it rebuilt. Alright, so this one here, I hope it works because the guy got it off of saying that to me that he got it out of the storage unit that he bought out. So he hadn't played with it or know anything about it. So we're either going to be trying this out or parting this out. We'll get past the trying out part and keep this one. Sky controller for the Bebop 2. Yeah, I mean that looks pretty nice. See if it broke.
Is it supposed to have a strap?
No, this is all that was with it. Sadly, I didn't get any of the goodies with it. Alright guys, so let's see what's in the box. Or to be black and red. There's a hint. Yeah, there's a drone and a sky controller in there. I would have definitely packed it a little better. That drone don't look too bad. It don't look bad at all, really. Guards right there so I can get a better look. Yeah, that stinks. There's a mark on the camera. I'm not impressed about that. Rubber feeder there. Doesn't look to be broken. Really though, this is what I was going after. There's another bag of goodies in there if you want to get that out. And then pull this box off a table. I'm gonna look at a second Sky Controller one. Came with the foam pad. Screwed over switch a little bit. Hopefully we can figure out something to make that work normal. It's got the tablet pad and antenna. And a couple of useless batteries. Maybe we can force feed them some power and get them to charge. Do something, but probably not. But we always try. I need to make a video on that too, so definitely keep looking. I'm going to have several videos on these, how to mod them, all that kind of stuff. If you want a Bebop or any of that, get in touch with me. I'm selling these kits for refurbishing these things. And we also get them in good to new working order, so just holler at me.